trends may come and go, but right now we're having a full-on 1970s love affair. The age of boho and disco has come back in full force, and it's hitting home, literally. From rattan to wicker, home decor has seen a big shift from minimalist and modern to eclectic hippie, and we are loving it. If you've been looking for an excuse to shop in your parents' basement, now is the time. Embracing 70s home decor trends can be as simple as sprinkling a few accessories here and there, such as a Turkish-style pouf, or using baskets as wall decor. If you're looking for inspiration, here are a handful of 70s decor trends that are officially back in style.